Welcome to DJ's Prestige and Sports. We've just acquired this exquisite, lovely, top of the range Range Rover 3 litre diesel automatic Autobiography dynamic. So as you can see, it's in absolutely lovely condition. It's in metallic blue, got the front park distance control, full dynamic pack. So you've got the bigger gloss black alloy wheels, lovely black pack around the car, privacy glass to the rear park distance control, does have a camera as well, fully electric boot, that's in lovely condition, rear parcel shelf. Let's look at the headlining with the panoramic roof as well, it's all in lovely condition. Absolutely gleaming, the bodywork is. We're going to change the badge on the front, it's just got a bit tarnished. Just arrived actually, it's going to be serviced and MOT'd. I love the interior. Got the Meridian Hi-Fi dual leather interior, the Autobiography perforated interior, heated seats and climate control to the back, front armrests, panoramic roof with a sliding blind. To the front we've got Meridian again, electric memory seats, electric windows and mirrors. Nowhere on that's in lovely condition. You can get all the goodies, so you've got paddle shift on the gearbox, heated steering wheel, cruise control, electric for the adjustments on the steering wheel. And then we've got reverse camera, home screen, satellite navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, media pack, DAB radio, heated seats, different driving modes, dynamic, sport, snow, or if you just push it down, it's be automatic, suspension height and lowering, as you can see all working there. Look at that, it's all in working order. Nice centre armrest, got your USB, I believe Apple CarPlay, aux, just plug it in. Climate control, climate controlled seats as well, rear seats you can control as well. Really is lovely condition, no wear on it whatsoever, it's lovely. DJH have full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. For any further information please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.